If you want to customize your WordPress video player from this to this nice and sleek video player, you can see the branded player controls. Even you can customize the video speed during playback, mute the video, or switch the video quality. Or if you want, you can even completely switch to a different player skin like this one with a minimal design. Or choose this player skin with a nice rounded play button and player controls at the bottom. Then this video is for you. You will need the latest GoDAM WordPress plugin, which you can download from the WordPress plugin repository. After that, you will need to go to the settings menu. Then switch to the video player tab. As you enter the video player tab, you can see the preview video player with sample video that lets you see the changes before going live on the site. You can see the player skin option and choose any skin from the available options. You can customize the player control color from the brand color option. You can even upload a logo that will appear on your seek bar that will help you reinforce your brand elements to your viewers. Then you can go ahead and save the video. As our page reloads, you can see the button color is exactly the one we chose from the GoDAM video player settings. The logo that we chose also appears on the seek bar. Congratulations, you have successfully customized video player inside WordPress with GoDAM. You can try out different skins and color combinations. Like this Pills player skin looks like this. Now if you are someone who wants a total freedom to customize the entire player, you can do so using the custom CSS option. I now will add a custom CSS that will add a custom animation to the play button that I think will increase my video CTR by adding a nice animation. I have added the custom CSS and then I will go ahead with saving the video. On reloading the page, my CSS animation has been added. Now as you can see, on hovering over the video, the play button plays my desired animation. Similarly, you can add your own custom CSS to fully customize the player experience. Thank you, happy building with GoDAM.